Hello everyone, and today I wanted to just cover about what is this workshops mean to, because there are actually two workshops that are going in. One is the hair workshop, the other one is skincare workshop. So I just want to make sure how it works so that you can pitch in whenever you are ready. So for example, if you take the hair care workshop, we carry three different lines. So I'll be sending out full three samples of the hair care line, so that way you will be able to use it what to say, like 2 or 3 times before you commit. Even for my hair, for the length I have almost till my hip. That's how much I have. For me itself, even one should be enough. So if you have lesser than that, then you will need even half amount of that, and the serum will be lasting you quite some time, because you are just going to use very little amount in your scalp. So that's how it is. So anytime when I do a workshop, I always ask you to buy in just for $10, because that gives you a commitment feel, because when you get the samples, you will be serious about it and you want to know more, and then I'll be adding you to a separate skincare group or the hair care workshop. For example, this one is happening in Instagram, so that way you will learn from the particular product more, and you will be able to utilize it to a full extent. I know I have always done the videos, but when you hear it from other people also, you will have more perspective in that. And just by doing this, you will be able to use it when as a coupon when you buy the full size product too, so that way you are not wasting the amount you spent. And also when you buy the skincare and all, it is like it will come for 5 full days, so you will be able to use morning and evening and still see how the skincare worked for you for 5 full days. So that's why it's a very good opportunity for you to try these products before buying. Not every product comes in samples, but the ones that are available, they are like already best sellers kind of. So when you try it, you will be able to feel it from yourself rather than listening to me. So the first sample here is the hair recovery sample. We carry 3 different lines. So here is the hair balance line. So you always get a shampoo, conditioner and serum. And the third one is the hair plenish line. So for any sample, you will be getting 3 full sizes, and you will get 1 shampoo, conditioner and serum in each sachet. So it's really nice to have give it a try for your own type, and understand how these products work, because when it comes to Senegens, I always try to guide them to get the maximum benefit out of it, because these are sulfate free shampoos. That means they will not have foam up much, because when you people will add ingredients that just to give the foam, that will either dry out your scalp, or it doesn't have any purpose to it. It is just to make you feel like it is cleansed well. Here they are sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free. They are gluten free. It's completely made in US, and they are animal byproducts free, and they are not animal tested, so they are cruelty free products. And as I mentioned, the size of the products are also quite big. If you see this size, it is like you will start with dime size to pea size for each product. So here it is the hair recovery line, which I always use. So here it is the shampoo, the conditioner and the serum. So hair recovery is for people who feel like her hair is thinning. Here our trademark registered ingredient called Capixel, which is also available in our mascara and all. It is going to help with the growth of the hair cycle, and also it's going to make the follicles stronger. That's when you are going to get the volume you are looking for. So that's the first set. So each set is meant to do different purposes. The next one is the hair plenish line. So if you are normal to dry hair, then you can try the hair plenish line. If you want like a silky smooth one, then this will be the line you will try it. My son uses this line. It's so manageable with these products, because previously his hair used to be very soft. So what happens is if he sleeps, or if he keeps it in one side, it will stay as it is. Like, I mean, it will be hard to comb in, and but with these products it will be really easy to maintain. As a boy, you know, like he's not into too much of doing anything, so this makes my life easier. The last one is the new line, that is hair balance line. This is for people who feel like oily hair, so this is for normal to oily hair. However, skincare is differentiated into 4 different types. The same way our hair care line has 3 different lines. So here you have the charcoal based serum. This is going to act more like a dry shampoo, so that's how it is. So when you apply it to the scalp, it's going to absorb the excess oils that's secreted. So for these products, the amount of product differs on how quick you are washing. Usually when you do sulfate free shampoos, you will be able to expand your in between time of washing your hair. For example, I do only twice a week, so that's enough for me. For someone who go for gym or who's having more oily scalp, then you may prefer to do every other day or every 2 days. So the quantity also differs based on that. So it is more like you need to work around and find the right balance for your skin, I mean your hair, because everybody's what is it, like the amount of hair differs, the length of the hair differs. I always prefer to shampoo the top and condition the bottom, so that way I'll wash them twice on the root, but when it comes to my ends, I always wash once with the shampoo, and the second time I wash it with the conditioner, because the conditioner again has cleaning agents, so it will help in that way. And serum, I always prefer to use it on when it is wet for my hair recovery and all, so that way I can just part it wherever it needed and then apply the serum, so that I'll get maximum benefits out of it. So these products are all concentrated, so always don't judge the product with the size. This last minimum 3 months to 4 months for a person, even with medium length, because as I said, it's like what is it, like it's based on how many times you are washing. I am telling more like based on washing twice or maximum thrice. And same way, if you are someone who applies oil and soak it in your hair, then use a clarifying shampoo just to wash it, and use these as your treatment. So the first wash, you can use like a shigakai or something, like you can wash it and just that will cleanse your oil. That way you are not wasting this kind of professional products to wash it twice. But if you don't mind washing it twice with these products, then go ahead and do it. So this hair care workshop is January 14th to 16th in Insta. So if you are still interested, please do message me. I can add you to the group. I think I just have 1 or 2 spots, final spots opened, but other than that, everybody's samples were already been sent out. And the same way with the skincare workshop group, being new year, you please do invest in your skin, because you all get one time, and it's better to take care of it instead of worrying about it later. So and these products will really easy to maintain, and they will help you a lot. So the skincare workshop works in the similar way. I'll be adding it to your different FB group, and I'll be sending out samples for 5 full days. So you will have samples that you can use morning and night, and you will be able to see the 1 week how your skin feels. Particularly in winter, it will be really harsh in some places where if it is too cold. So putting back the moisture in, and using a simple exfoliation will make a huge difference in down the line 1 or 2 months. And anytime when you introduce a product, or anytime you are trying a new line, please give it a 8 weeks time for the skin or the hair to adjust, because it's not what is it, like overnight. We are not using kind of steroids kind of things which immediately works out. So you need to give your body or your skin to to adjust to the new system that you are introducing. For example, if you had a normal to oily line and you are slowly introducing moisture or cleansing and exfoliating and all, it is going to take time for the skin to understand that okay, they are putting back moisture, so I don't have to produce excess of it. So it will take time, but it will slowly adjust, and sometimes you will break out too. I always mention that for example, if you are starting a workout, then first 2 days or first 5 days you will have soreness in your body, because that means it started working it. So the similar way, where for example, if you are using Sanaserum C or retinol or even brightening, they have activated product in it. So if it tingles or if you break out one or two, it's fine, because your skin has never experienced something like that. So it's natural for it to react to it. So take it slow, introduce one at a time, and you will be good to go. And I am always here to answer any of your questions, and I'll be here to guide you along with the journey too. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon. And if you need to get into any of these workshops, please do ping me. Have a wonderful day.